Hello, it's April and welcome to my toy world. Today we have a fun island diorama. We will have land animals and sea animals. Before we get started adding our animals, let's go ahead and add a few more things to our diorama. We'll add a couple of rocks, here and here, a log, some green plants, here and here, and one back there. And we'll add some flowers, some white flowers, blue flowers, yellow flowers, and pink flowers. And now our diorama is ready for all of our animals. Let's go ahead and start with the animals that live on the land. Let's start with two gorillas. We have an adult gorilla and a baby gorilla. We'll put them at the base of the mountain. Here we have a woolly monkey. Look at this cute monkey with a long tail. He'll be climbing on the mountain, right there. Here we have another monkey, a squirrel monkey. This one has a very long tail. And look at the ears on the side of his head, a squirrel monkey. This squirrel monkey is also climbing on the mountain. Here we have a spider monkey. All of the monkeys seem to have long tails and long arms and legs, perfect for climbing. A spider monkey. He'll be playing in the plants near the base of the mountain. This is a very small kind of primate. This is a golden lion tamarin. Look at his cute little face. We'll go ahead and put this one over here on this plant. Here we have two orangutans. Look at their orange-colored fur. They have such thoughtful faces. We'll put this one on this side and this one over here. And here we have a baboon. Look at the baboon. We'll have the baboon walking right back here. Here's another primate, a mandrill. Look at the colors on his face, blue and red. A mandrill. Put the mandrill right here. And here's another interesting primate. This is a proboscis monkey. They have very uniquely shaped noses. A proboscis monkey. The proboscis monkey is also climbing up the side of the mountain. So far we have a lot of primates in our diorama. Let's go ahead and add a couple of panda bears. Here's a black and white panda bear and another black and white panda bear. Put them over here. Here we have an emerald green boa. Look at him all coiled up. We'll put him right here on the rock. Here we have a wildcat, a jaguar. Put the jaguar right here. And here we have another wildcat, a tiger. I think he's coming down to the water. Here we have two elephants. This one has tusks. They both have long trunks and big ears. Two elephants. One here and one here. Here we have a frilled-necked lizard. Put this one back here. And we have this colorful bird flying in, a macaw. The bird will land right here. Here we have a Cape buffalo. Look at this interesting buffalo. His horns curl upward at the top of his head. A Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is also coming down to the water. And we have two iguanas. A dark green iguana and a lighter green iguana. They'll be on the rocks near the water here. And we have a turtle. Look at the turtle. Put the turtle over on this rock here. And here we have a green frog. Put the frog right down here at the edge of the water as well. And we have a warthog here. We'll put the warthog back here. And we have a scorpion. We'll put the scorpion in the back over here. Now let's add some animals to our water. Here is a bright yellow sea anemone. We'll put it right here on the edge of our water. We also have two starfish, a purple starfish and an orange starfish. We'll put that here and here. Swimming in, we have a tiger shark. Put the tiger shark right there. And here's another shark swimming in this side, a hammerhead shark. Look at the hammerhead shark with his hammer-shaped head here. A hammerhead shark. And we have a gray whale swimming out in the water. Here's a dolphin jumping through the water. Here's a stingray. This interesting stingray. Look at the mouth on the bottom here. A stingray. Here we have a bright red angelfish. Such a colorful fish. And here is a swordfish. Look at the long pointy sword-like shape on the front of his nose here. A swordfish. And here we have a school of fish, some sardines. These bright silver sardines all swimming together in the water. Here's a baby dolphin that will join his mother. And we have an orca, a black and white orca. Here we have an octopus. Look at all 8 legs of the octopus and all the tentacles on the bottom of its legs. And lastly, we have a family of sea turtles swimming in. Here's the father sea turtle, here's the mother sea turtle, and here's the baby sea turtle. All of them are swimming in a row. So that was our island diorama today with all of our land animals and sea animals. Let's go ahead now and take a close-up look. That was our island diorama today. I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these land and sea animals, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.